This is a fresh install of Windows 10. Here's the version I'm using. I only installed the necessary drivers, ran Windows Update, and of course installed OBS. To start my optimizing path, I'll open the control panel. I'll set view by the large icons. Then, I'll go to Power Options and click on Choose what the power buttons do. Next, I'll click on Change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes and Done. Now, let's move on to the next step. First, open your web browser and go to the link in the description. Click on the Code button, then select Download ZIP to get the script. Now, open your Downloads folder and locate the file named Windows Debloader main. Now, go back to the web page and copy the command Set Execution Policy Unrestricted. Next, click on the Start menu, type PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. In PowerShell, click the right button of the mouse to paste the command you copied, Set Execution Policy Unrestricted. When prompted, type Y and press Enter to confirm. Now, go to File Explorer, navigate to the Downloads folder, right-click on the zip file, select Extract All and click Extract. Then copy the full path from the address bar of the extracted files. In PowerShell, type cd / and press Enter. Now type cd space and right-click to paste the folder path between quotes. Go back to the website and copy the next command, .pixels.debload.ps1. Go back to PowerShell, right-click to paste the command and press Enter. When prompted, press R and then press Enter. Now, wait until the process completes. When the script finishes running, it will display a message saying, "Press any key to restart your system." Simply press any key and wait for Windows to restart. That concludes the first part of this tutorial. In the next part, we'll cover additional optimizations to further improve system performance. See you soon!